How to fix external DAC or USB audio interface not recognized or detected on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S24, or S23. First, we tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer Options. Now in here, scroll down and we go to the Media section and make sure you turn off Disable USB Audio Routing. So turn that off. After you have switched it off, you should be able to use your external DAC device or USB audio interface. Give it a try. If you have already plugged it in, make sure you remove and then plug it back in after you have switched it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video has been helpful. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.